In this video, you'll learn how to create a clean, modern toggle switch built entirely with HTML and CSS. Smooth animations, simple structure, and no JavaScript required. A perfect way to add interactive elements to your website while keeping your code lightweight and elegant. Toggle switches are small, simple elements, but they play a huge role in modern web design. You'll find them everywhere, in settings menus, dark mode controls, or anywhere a user needs to turn something on or off with a single click. What's cool about this version is that it's made entirely with HTML and CSS. No JavaScript needed. The secret lies in the checkbox input and a clever use of labels and pseudo-elements to create the sliding motion. When you check the box, CSS takes care of the animation, changing colors, moving the circle, and making everything feel smooth and responsive. It's lightweight, fast, and easy to customize. You can adjust the size, colors, or even add glow effects and icons to match your design. This is one of those tiny components that make your UI feel polished and interactive. And the best part? It only takes a few lines of code. Simple, elegant, and built with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, there's more on the way.